Okay, unfortunately, if I go live, I think I actually have to talk, which is yes, is gonna be very bad, and my shit's already illicit. Okay, bro, like we just got started. You already want to do this? Oh my god. Okay. Oh no, it is public. I just literally cannot see it. Like it's just not there. Like it's just not there. It's not there. Okay. Nah. Cool. Cool. Whatever, bro. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. Sick. All right. Yo. Man, I'm renaming this shit. G. We're gonna name it G. That's gonna be the final name of the game, bro. It's just gonna be G. Hey, y'all try to hop on some G real quick? Like, yo. Alright. Alright. So, bro, hold up, gang. Let me. Please don't show anything weird. Right, I'm back. Just got some top from the stripper bitch. She's from Kankakee. Something, something, something. I don't know the lyrics. This bitch a hoe. Something, something, something. Yeah. Alright. Man, what? How do I? Yo. Okay, well, I want to talk, but no, I guess my body won't let me. It's just gonna yawn and yawn like a little bitch instead. Alright, so something about collisions. What is it set up? No, bro, it's something weird. I know it's something really weird. It was something like get back, nigga, kill yourself. Bro, I know it was something super weird. Oh my god, I forgot how to make games. Fuck, dude. Yo, Jay, can you help me? No, okay, no, actually, how do I? You know what? Wait, I'm not gonna get mad. I'm just do this. How to change tile collision in Godot. It's Godot not the go. Holy shit, he's so angry. He's so angry, dude. Physics layer, the tile maps inspector. Okay, I feel that. So wait, I know it's something a little bit weird. It's like, oh yeah, we're taking the actual tiles. There we go. Okay. Collision layer and collision mask. Okay, cool. Alright, so I think I want 2 different collision layers. Do I need a mask? We don't need any mask because the object, he's just gonna be touching the thingamabobber. So yeah. Alright. And then, like, let's say hypothetically, right, we wanna paint, like, there we go. Okay, fuck with your boy. Alright. So physics layer 0, and we're gonna do physics layer 1. Can I paint something different? I can change this, right? Do I need a new physics layer. Okay, I get it out. Alright. So physics layer 2. And then we're gonna paint this one here. That's gonna be the kill brick. So if you get a 0, you get a 1. Look at that. Boom. Okay. We're gonna save. Alright. Chat, look at this. By chat I mean 1, probably even 0 people, but I don't care. Alright, I want to add a script. I want to add a script to this hoe. I also want to do some organization real quick. So let me go to settings. I want to go to project settings. I want to go, what, layer? Something like that? Yeah, 2D physics. We need to rename these. So we're going to go, player safe, and then player kill. Alright. And now check this out. Let's say hypothetically we want to make him move. I mean, that's not where we're going to do it, right? So I think we're going to do func physics process delta. No way I actually remember all of this, right? Like, it's impossible. Let's say, like, yo, I need to set up inputs and everything. Okay, so input map. So it needs to be like, I'm gonna just go with WSD. Yeah. How do I add one? Okay, wait a second. No, we're not gonna be making that joke. And it's already too hot in my room. Hold up, bro. Like, this thing turned on for like maybe a good 2 seconds, and then like we stopped. Like, what are we doing? Let me change this to live chat just in case he says something inflammatory. But the answer is no. Okay. Physics process delta float to void, something like that. Let's say, I don't know. Let's say hypothetically speaking, we were like, what? If input action pressed. I see. Hop on VC. I mean, I'm not opposed. I am not opposed. Unless he's just not there. So why are we lying? He's not there. Hey, I'm not joining unless you join. Bro, yo, I really want to say what his name is, but my channel's gonna get terminated, dude. What the fuck? Ah! Alright, anyway. Yo, ignore what you just heard on the stream. All right, wait. I'm gonna change something. All right, wait. Say something.
Hi.
Damn, you're louder than me. What the fuck? Wait. Check this out.
On stream?
Apparently, I mean, according to the OBS, right? I need to make the face cam a little bigger.
Oh, you have a face cam?
Oh my
Oh.
god.
Oh.
Okay. All right. I mean, yeah, this is cool. Okay. Fucking, if it's action press, and we say, let's say, a move left. Let's go move right. We're gonna do like. Damn, I forgot how to actually make a function in this bitch. Like dude. We're gonna go like what?
What are you trying to
Awesome,
code?
not-
What are you doing?
Dude, I want to do another like 2D platformer. The thing is, the slide jump shit, it's just way too complicated to code, bro. So I just like lost all motivation to like create it. I'm just gonna make a generic one and then I'll think of something like later. I was thinking like bullet hell, like Toho type shit, but then also a platformer. Right? I don't think those exist. If they do, they're few and far between, right? So yeah. Velocity.x, however, let's go. Let's just say equals like 5, and then how do you end the? Dude, I forgot how to end the function and everything, dude. I think you just unindent. Wait, I have an error. Wait, do I have an error? Wait, save. Is that an error or? Was oh wait, yeah, okay, it's telling me. Delta is never used in the Alright, bro. Like, who cares? You know, in fact, yeah, I'm just gonna ignore it. Let's say, what? We gotta call a move and slide? Yeah, but don't I need to call it in the function? Yeah, if I'm not tripping. Control S. Alright. Okay. So,
Damn.
I think it only works if I'm going right. And
Oh yeah, I
I'm
found
not
it.
too surprised that didn't work. Yeah.
When it comes to music production, I found a sample, right? And I found it, and it was like it's the exact same sample that I like of a song that I found on Spotify once that I thought the production was great on, and then they deleted it because I think it was like a diss track or something. But like it actually sounded good.
A
Like
diss track.
I'm gonna send you like the re-upload of the song.
All right. Okay, I know I'm doing something wrong. I just don't know what. You know what? Let me just. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna open up another instance of Godot. Check it out. We're gonna go like this.
Where's Timothy at?
Go dot.
Down to the riverside. Nigga like me ain't born no height. Blank with the red beam. It's about be your bloody scene. I down to the riverside. Nigga like me ain't born no height.
Bro, my shoe just got taken down for copyright.
It's about be your bloody scene. Down to the riverside.
Yeah, bro.
Nigga ain't born no height. Blank with the
Totally.
beam. It's about be your bloody scene.
I cannot sleep, you can call me Mari. In the back with your bitch eating calamari. Feeling isolated, feeling trapped. Young black nigga like me can't rap. Niggas out here.
Oh, is this made by Sada? Bro, that literally says Sada right there.
Where?
Yo, the creator.
The creator, their name. Bro. I'm actually. Where the hell does it say Sada, bro?
Bro,
Creator.
that says Sada Sultada, bro. It's right there. No, look, I'll even put it on stream. Look.
I gotta go back to your stream. I went like, okay, hold on. Oh, bro. That's Saida, bro.
I know.
Heidi
Alright,
Sultana.
Saida. Alright, check this out.
Wait, there's XP and YouTube now. What does that do?
XP. You can like, you see how like you chatted the most? Yeah, so you have the most XP. Alright, levels. Let's just look up level
Wait, you
0.
could do YouTube reactions.
Damn. Damn, what the fuck
Wait,
is
you
going
could
on here?
you could see them?
See what?
Oh
Yeah,
wait, I think you have
can.
to actually click. Oh wait, you can.
Bro, it's like, what's even the point of that? They want to be like Instagram Reels and TikTok so bad. Like, it's like, who cares?
I have 75
What?
XP
Isn't
now.
this working?
I'm the number one tatter.
Velocity equals velocity.x equals.
Oh wait, you're going
Yeah.
back to the cat game.
Yeah,
Access Factory.
yeah, I'm like referencing it because I'm trying to see how do I do it. Okay. Hey, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. We're gonna see here, right? Hey, wait. How about this, right? We're gonna do this. Control S. I'm just gonna set it to 50. Okay, so it works there, but then it doesn't work here. So if action pressed move right, then velocity.x equals 50. Okay. Let's look at these actions. Move right. Oh, I didn't even map it to anything. Dude. Okay. Move, look. Move, look. Which one to run? Gotta tell her move. Oh, and you BJ. Alright, cool. Alright, and then it should work. Well, yeah, but okay, it doesn't like slow me down or anything. But alright, this is cool. Like, I'm not doing any slide jump shit because I have to set multiple different like maximums. You saw how long that move fit script was. It was like 200 like lines. Alright, velocity.x equals 50. Blah blah blah. Move and slide. Okay. Alright, so we're just gonna do like we're gonna do all of them. Wait, no, I know what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna do float x input equals input dot velocity dot x. Holy, that is just not what. Okay, is action pressed. What? What do you expect the end of same after? Oh, okay, well. Wait, what? Wait, what are we talking about, bro? Wait, do I need a colon? Wait, is it like something weird? Hold up. You have to declare the variable before. Is float like some... Hold up, wait, okay, wait. I'm gonna just type in variable. We're just gonna see what happens. Okay, yeah, see, it's like red. That means that the float isn't... What happens if I type in float? What in the world? Double. Oh, it doesn't exist. Wait, so if I go like int? Okay, so it's green. I don't... Yo, what? Dude, this sucks. Okay. How to declare specific type of variable in Go dot. Okay, we're gonna see. Really? Really, bro? Really, bro? Okay, that's so silly. Alright, there we go. Is action pressed. And then we're gonna go move right, and we're gonna do minus this one. And I think I need to integer both of these. So I'm gonna do this. And then I'm gonna do this. Integer. Okay, we're gonna save. I'm actually just gonna do print x input. Yeah. And we're just gonna see what happens. Alright, thank you, game. This is very cool. And then I need to make another one. So I don't think I need to debug for y input. There's just no way I fuck it up, right? Ah, yes! This is the environment where going up, having a positive y value makes you go down. Oh, that's so fun. Okay. And then let's go move up. Alright. Oh, well, I need to... Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do now. We're gonna do velocity equals what? Okay, so I know it's like, I think it's just x input comma y input, and then I multiply that. Let's multiply it by 50. I'm gonna save. Or it
Nice.
can just not work. Oh wait, I know why. Let's go. Alright. Oh, that's beautiful. I should just make the game like this. Fuck a 2D platformer.
Like, what's the thing again with it?
Oh wait, she's being sick. Oh, I mean, I told her about it. We don't have to get it. Tell her. It's literally just pizza, Little Caesars. Just put it. I don't know. Just get the app.
Wait, why am I doing this? Dude, what? Bro.
It's
this
like-
is completely
it's just there.
pointless.
Just get the app and then go to codes.
Their jump equals,
No, we don't have to get pizzas.
and equals. Why is it a float? No, this should be an integer. Yeah.
Bueno, lo tengo para el juego. Actually, no creo que lo vamos a acabar. Just one. Yeah. Okay.
What do you mean? I didn't expect the
Hello,
closing.
are you ready for the game today, bro? I'm actually so stressed, bro.
Oh shit! Wait, there is a game.
Playoffs, bro. Playoffs.
Oh wait! Oh yeah, there are playoffs.
Dude,
I'm
it's
giving
the thing-
big go sports ball energy right now. I'm not gonna lie.
like right. You know how the NBA playoffs is like every single round is 7 games, best out of 7.
Mm-hmm.
NFL it's one and done.
Oh wow.
So that's yeah. I mean, it makes sense, dude. Cause like I remember I saw a TikTok post where it was like imagine if the NFL season had as many games as the NBA season, and then there was like people had like reaction images of like NFL players after week 82, and they were all just like banged. Like, hey, hold on, I gotta like, I hope I can find the video.
You can. There's a gravity function built in? Wait, what? Oh, yo, I gotta see this. Hold up.
I'm gonna send you the TikTok, and I want you to just look at the comments.
Okay.
It's so funny, bro. I'm gonna look at your stream while you do it.
Will it be more entertaining, 17 games of the NBA or 82 games of the NFL?
Look at the comments.
Oh, okay. Tua turning into Chris Benoit, don't get it. The kicker watching all his teammates die by week 23. MVP gonna be the only nigga that can fluently speak the alphabet. Wow. Everybody in these comments would have an NFL contract by week 40. Geno Smith entering game 52. Super Bowl
Geno Smith is
spelling bee.
By the way.
The whole league by week 20. 41-41 Steelers getting the 7th seed. Cam Skatebo gonna be speaking in hieroglyphics by week 20. What's the joke? Is it that they're stupid?
No, it's that like, bro, it's like the NFL like literally causes brain damage.
Oh, wait, true. So after week 30, we ask him his favorite color. Oh, hell no, bro. 82 NFL games will be entertaining if you're into Coliseum. Is he just horrible at spelling? Oh my god! Oh, wait, what? Is that... What? People actually spell like that? Holy docs. Okay. Yo, whatever, dude. Alright, look, we're back. Bro, what are people gonna think when they see like someone in my Discord named CP Tugs, bro? It's like it's over. That's a body to list a body. Like I'm wondering, right? Like how does where's the gravity thing though? Like that seems pretty interesting. That seems pretty interesting. I'm not gonna lie. Unless it's for like physics stuff, like rigid bodies only. But I don't know. Wait, we're actually gonna research this. How to add gravity in Godot. Okay. Apply a shut the fuck up, AI. Okay, mesh instance rigid body. Oh, I think it's a rigid body. Hold up. Wait, adjusting bounce mass. Yeah, it's definitely a rigid body. Okay, so we're not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna do traditional gravity applying application sorcery. So it's pretty simple. I just gotta do this. Velocity.y minus equals 9.8 meters per second. That's right. Okay, and then why is this yellow? What? The local variable jump is declared but never used in the block. Okay, goofball. Whatever. Wait, did it work? We're never gonna know because it oh my god, that's right. It has to be fucking negative 9.8. Wait, no, that just means plus equals. Okay. Alright. And now. Oh my god. That gravity was so gravitying. Okay. Now let's go velocity.x. Let's go velocity.y. Wait. No. We gotta do, if jump velocity.y minus equals, let's just go 20. Fuck it, why not? Why isn't it working? Like it's actually supposed to be working this time. I don't understand why it's what. 200. Yeah. This is not good. I don't like this. Oh, wait. Yeah, we don't need an integer. We just need this. Alright. It should work. Or it could not work. You know, that works too. Finally, damn. Only took me like literally 30 seconds. I'm overblowing it, but okay. Now I want to attach a camera to this guy. Yeah, I'll just do it how I usually do it. Camera 2D. Alright, and then let's no, I don't want to edit the node. I just want to see what it's like. Yeah, so we should probably zoom that in by 5x or something. Okay, that's way too close. Let's go 3. You can disable the camera entirely? Wow. Oh, I'm hitting F3. What in the world? Okay, that's decent. Okay, now check this out. Beautiful. Now this isn't the most engaging game, but you know it's there. Okay, he does fall through that because that's supposed to happen. Alright. Let's see. Alright, so let me make the movement not feel like eating battery acid. And we're gonna do we gotta do some acceleration instead of just sliding, right? Because sliding sucks. So we're gonna do max velocity. Let's just go max speed. No, I think I'm gonna use velocity more often. We're gonna say what we're gonna do. Float equals, let's go 200 or something. Let's go 100 actually. And then let's see here. I use did I use interpolation? I wonder, how did I do the... I know I did something, like, really good for the acceleration. I just forgot. Wait, so who are we playing against?
The Packers.
Lame. Well, cool, but also lame, if you get what I'm saying.
No, dude. Everybody in Chicago is hyped up simultaneously, like dreading the game.
Shaking in our boots. Anyway, so I'm gonna just look up acceleration. It just moved toward. Oh, yeah. You know, I'm just gonna copy this. Like, I'm not even about to. Yeah. Wait. I think I'm just gonna take the text here. Actually, yeah. Fuck it. I'm copying code. All right. Now I'm actually gonna keep that open, but I'm gonna move it here so I don't get mixed up. Okay. So what do I need to do here? You float and then velocity.x equals. It's gonna do move toward. Then velocity. Now we're gonna do x input times max velocity equals oh wait, I see why it's like that. Yeah, cause move toward, I think it's like, wait, can you just interpolate it or am I tripping? You know, nah, doing something else would be like actually way too hard. And then var excel. Let's just go. Let's go integer equals like 5 or something. I don't know. Gonna go we don't need excelf because it's not like part of a function anymore. Just gonna ignore delta for now. And we're just gonna see what happens. You know, I'm actually very shocked that this worked. I'm not gonna lie. Because I didn't even read it over once. So it means it's gonna move toward a vector 2, obviously. And then we're gonna go towards the x input times the max velocity. We're gonna move toward it by velocity dot y? Oh wait, okay, yeah. Okay, so moving towards that. And then we're using acceleration? X, Y. What? So I actually like really don't like this because I don't understand it. By the fixed delta amount. Oh, okay, and then the delta amount is acceleration. Okay, cool. Alright, cool. Now we're gonna make it like 50 or something. Okay, so that's just you can't even. I want it to be like noticeable, but like it's noticeable, but like it's not even there, kind of. I don't want to make it too slippery, right? Bro, that's one thing I don't like about Dive.io, bro. Like it, dude. The acceleration actually takes like 30 hours, dude. It's so frustrating to play. Where did my script just go? Okay. Let's go 20. Nice. Alright, you know, he's not fast enough. Alright. He needs to jump higher and then hit the ground faster. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Let's say it's like 300, maybe. Yeah. All right, that's cool. But now we're gonna make the. Why am I actually using 9.8, bro? Let's use a whole number. Okay. Oops. Yeah, that's not ideal. Okay. Hell nah. Let's go with like 30. Okay, so I wanna. All right. Let's go with 25. 325. No. Okay. Alright, but then let's go with like 500. Alright, now, I mean, this is cool, but we're actually gonna lower the gravity, and I'm gonna set this like 400 instead. Not 4,000, buddy. Okay, he jumps too high. I'm just gonna keep it at 300, actually. Okay, I think the gravity's a bit high for my liking. Kind of want him to just jump higher, just cause. Let's go with like 350. Hell no, I don't like that. Let's go 325. Let's set this to like 20. Alright, he needs to go faster. He needs to accelerate faster. Alright. He actually kind of needs to move a bit slower, I think. Oops. Hey! Okay. Trying to think. I don't know why. I'm really into the idea of it following a very nice arc that has like a high angle. Like, so let me like, that means he needs to jump a lot higher. Or velocity needs to be more different. I really don't know though. So it's like 350. I wish I could like trace the path the character is taking, but honestly, this isn't too bad. You know, actually, this is like, I know it feels a bit too floaty. I don't want it to be floaty at all, really. Okay, well now it feels like you can't do anything, so, okay. What percentage of arcade basketball players do you think are actually like black and from the hood?
Oh, both have to be true? Shit.
Yes.
Damn. Not a lot, bro. Probably like 10.
Okay, wait. Now, here's a secondary question. Do you think the Kid Bro guy fits those circumstances?
His name is Ken, bro. Actually, like, okay, hold on.
No, I don't know what his name actually was. Oh, we can see.
Yeah.
And I'm banned. And I'm banned.
What happened? What?
The stop let me sex gif showed up, bro.
Oh my god.
No, we should be fine. I think my
Just don't go
shit
to
gets
the
automatically-
don't go to the drawing.
Oh yeah. Y'all rip midge lol. I don't even know what that means, bro. Okay. Anyway, can I go back to the bottom here without? What if I send the message? Okay, there we go. All right. Okay. How about honestly, I fuck with this. This is cool. Let me compare it to the movement in Arches Factory real quick. I'm gonna just play that. We're gonna see. It should probably be. Well, I could just literally rip the values from this game. Yeah. Arches Factory is a bit slower. Oh, and then you also had like control jump height. So yeah. Let me hitbox abuse. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, let me actually just compare all of the values. So let's see. Gravity max velocity was 135. Wow, okay. And then you know what? I'm very against this, but fuck it, I'm actually gonna try it. I am going to try the trick of having a faster falling time. So that means the gravity will literally be increased as I go down. So here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna do what? If velocity dot y. So if they're moving upwards means it needs to be negative. So if it is less than 0, we're gonna do yeah, and it's gonna be that, and then else I'm gonna do velocity dot y plus equals 25. All right, so hopefully, right? Holy fuck! You know, okay, wait, I'm actually sick of that happening. Let's just go to the level. Let's do this. Boom. Okay. Like, I could slightly notice it. And it does feel better, actually. Yeah, I can see why all of the pros do this. Though it could feel a bit unnatural, like, cause it looks slightly unrealistic. You know, like, I don't know, dude. And then also, there's no like, I guess I should have it, but just make it very subtle. Like, yeah. Because if I have it too high, right, then it starts to look weird. I'm gonna lean towards more gravity. What?
I'm looking at like this at this base that I found, and I don't know if there's a lot of presets. I don't think there's any.
What
I don't
even
like
is
making
a
my own.
preset? I don't know, dude.
like-
People gatekeep their presets. Can you tell me why?
Oh, like, you know what a preset? You don't know what one is.
I don't know what a preset is.
It's just like, think about like you have an instrument, right? But like there's different ways you can like change it, like by
okay.
adding.
All right.
It's like having a preset avatar.
Oh, okay.
It's the best way I could explain it.
I see. All right, this is cool. Let's go. Yay. All right. Now for special functions, I might actually go with very generic special functions, right? So, like air dashing, I actually don't think double jumping is necessary. Or wall sliding stuff, right? Because if it's like a bullet hell, right? I think I only need stuff that'll help you dodge. I don't really need stuff that'll help you traverse through complicated areas. So, yeah, I'm thinking like maybe a little air dodge. What's another thing that can help you dodge? Like a double jump, yeah, but like with a bunch of, I don't know. Nah, I wouldn't even say that. I mean, okay. So we need to constrain jumping to actually being on the ground, unfortunately. So, yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Hold up, wait, I gotta organize my code. I don't want to fall into the same pit. So we're gonna do, how do you make comments again? Is it // / undo right now? Okay, I think it, yeah. So let's go with, like, movement variables. Sure. Physics process X input and then jump. Okay, we're gonna go input variables and then velocity. We're gonna go movement functions. And then for this one, I'm gonna put an indent, and we're gonna go movement speed. Will indent, will it mess me up? It will. Okay, so indents are very important here. This also is in movement speed. Horizontal movement. What happens if I wait? What does a double hashtag do? Hold up, wait. What does double hashtag do in Godot? I think it just highlights the comment, right? Okay.
I
Double
don't.
hashtag is used to generate documentation for your code that can be viewed directly within the Godot's built-in documentation system? That's insane. Oh, wow. And that's also a reason I'm not going to do it, because I'm not trying to write any documentation for my own code. Anyway, fuck it, yo. Yeah, so we have horizontal movement. You know, I'm actually gonna I'm gonna put the comments at the end. I wish I could, like, justify them all the way to the right of the screen, but I guess it wouldn't really make sense, so it's whatever. Let's have this be right on top here. We're gonna go, jump. We're gonna go gravity. You know what, this should probably be, like, gravity function. Let's just make that its own section. Okay. Move and slide. I might as well mark that too, why not? Okay. Cool. Okay, if jump and is on the floor. Okay. Check it out. Now I can't double jump like crazy. I move fast as fuck. I don't know if I like this. I mean, it's super reactive to my inputs, I'll tell you that much. I think the speed is a bit excessive, though. It feels like you're kind of like a god in that sense. I'm not trying to... I just want to make the character feel free, but not like a demon. Although, dang, I could just make the gameplay hard. You know, I like feeling like a god. Fuck it. Let's go back to 220. Alright. I mean, that also means, right, the acceleration needs to be a bit faster here. Right, yeah, if you're going to be making quick dodges and stuff, right, yeah. And you can nudge. You can't nudge, like, a lot, though. Let's set this to 70, why not, right? Alright. Oh, okay, cool. Alright, now I'm gonna make a... I guess I'll make a dash? Yeah, okay, so let's go on... air dash. Not generic at all. Don't know what you're talking about. Wait, I'm actually very curious. Yep, time to wait. Let me start a very quick harassment campaign, real quick, against none other than Jeremiah Best 84, because I'm not trying to fuck up my digital footprint. Okay, we're gonna see what he's doing. He's in the event. Why? Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna get copyrighted! Okay, oh wait, he's actually going. Oh my god. The moment I typed in don't fall. Yo, I'm done. Okay. Alright. Air dash. What is this? Hey, what if I try to add this to my script? It doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? What do you mean I can't add heart emoji to my script? Wait, you can't? What? Bro. Wait, okay, now I'm curious. I'm not getting sidetracked. What are you talking about? Print this. It's just no way, right? This is literally the dumbest scripting language ever. Dude, you see this, right?
Oh, I'm not looking. Hold on.
Okay. It's like, bro, you could really just print emojis. Really? Is this productive? What is this gonna do for you, buddy? All right. I'm gonna get rid of that though. So how do I close the game? Oh yeah, by closing it. Okay. All right. So what I want to do is right air dash. Okay. So let's say right, they need like an instantaneous boost of what's it called, of velocity when they hit a certain button in the air. Let's just make it jump again, honestly. Or should I make it jump again? Yeah, why not? So let's say right, so there, like if, let's say if jump, right? Yeah. And if jump match, wait. Okay, wait. So, if input dot is action pressed move up, var jump equals, wait a second, and is on floor. I think it's very awesome that you can literally just type in the word and or instead of having to do the weird like thing. You know, like in JavaScript you have to like type in some like symbols for and or.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can still do that in GDScript, which is basically Python, but it's like you could just type in and instead. But anyway, so we're just gonna do if jump, right? Like, wait, if action pressed. I should actually organize it like this instead. So if wait, it should be secondary so you can control it. So yeah, I need a new thing. I guess we could just make it shift, right? Shift, yeah, it would be like the best one by far. I mean, it totally hurt your pinky, but you know, it's like who cares? Shift dash. You know, let's just call it special. No, dash, and let's call it special. Add. We're gonna go here. Gonna add something. We're gonna do shift. Okay. So if dash. If input is action pressed, move up. Yeah, okay, so let's see. Yeah, so if action press move up, you can fucking yo, my brain just turned off. We're gonna go up velocity dot y needs to increase by a lot, so needs to like damn near apply a force. Actually, no, I think it should just set your velocity. Yeah, so velocity dot y minus equals 400. What? Oh wait, hold up. Input is action pressed dash. Wait, no, special. Okay, velocity dot y equals minus equals 400. We go here and well, yeah, hey, it worked, you know. You know, with that being said, it's maybe a bit excessive, but you know, it's whatever. Yeah, no, but anyway. Wait, oh my god. Oh wait, it needs to be action just pressed. Yeah. It also needs to be not on the floor. It also needs to get restored when you hit the ground. So, yeah. Alright, so. Wait, no, you can do it if you're on the floor. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Kind of makes you an idiot, but you know. So it needs to be action just pressed here. Boom. Wait, no. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. This needs to be pressed, but then the other one needs to be just pressed. Yeah. Alright, F6. Damn, this sucks, dude. This is just not even trying. Okay. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. I'm also gonna make it like reset your hello? Oh, vector 2. Save. Alright, so this needs to only it needs to like happen for a set amount of time, I think. Okay, I can tell it's gonna be a bit difficult. I'm going to get the buffer down first before I do any of that. It should be pretty easy. I just have to make it so that like when you hit the ground, it needs to be a variable. So yeah, input variables. Let's put buffer variable. Alright, Alright. We're gonna make it, what, so like, wait. Var buffer bool equals false. Okay. And then, we're gonna do if is on floor. Oh, and apparently that's not how it works. If is on floor, I'm gonna do buffer equals true. And then we're gonna do, let's see. Bugs input action pressed or buffer and input dot is action pressed move up. That's supposed to be a string. Alright, so if you're buffering and you just happen to be pressing up, then it's gonna make you jump and it needs to kill your buffer. So we're gonna do okay, this needs to be like an actual function, unfortunately. So yeah, and also this should be different. Like what? Yeah, okay. And then we're gonna do jump. How do I do it? Buffer equals false. Alright. I like how you can just hold. Oh wait. If is on floor and input dot is action released move up. Hello? What did I do? Oh, okay. You can't do release, you have to do just release. Okay. And not input dot is action release, wait, no, pressed move up. Alright, it's gonna be easy. Check it out. Oh wait, this is not good. Oh my gosh, it's so cringe. Wait, how do I actually let it, like, I'm trying to think. Oh no! Oh my god! I don't even know how buffering works. Okay, wait. So hold up. It needs to be set to true if you're in the sky. So if not is on floor and input dot is action pressed up. No, is action just pressed and then move up. Buffer equals true. I think this is GD style buffering. Oh my god, it is. Let's go. Yeah, Geometry Dash has the best buffer system. You just get infinite time instead of like 0.1 seconds. I don't even know why games do that, bro. But it's probably because they're not Geometry Dash. Let's see. Okay, so is there anything else weird? Like, yeah, this sets your buffer to false if you actually jump. Yeah, okay, cool. Alright. Okay, next, alright, now we can do that error dash shit. Okay, so we need a dash timer. So we're actually gonna go to the actual guy here. We're gonna add a timer. We're gonna go create. We're gonna go, what? We're gonna just call it dash timer. Alright, so let's say, let's say hypothetically, I don't know, let's say if, input dot is action pressed, special, gonna go, I need to start the dash timer, which, isn't this a weird function where I have to call timeout? Okay, but I think I can do this dot start. Okay. And I guess we could just print $$ dash timer dot time left. I'm gonna F6 this here, or F5 it, I guess. It needs to be a just press thing. Okay. Action press thing special. And wait a second. Timeout is a function, right? Yeah. I think, yeah, it is. Okay. So, and $ dash timer is not equal 0. Huh? Oh, wait. Dot time left. That's a function. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Nice! What do you mean non-existent function? What are we talking about? It's always 0 if the timer is stopped. Okay. Timer.time left. Read only cannot be modified. It's based on wait time. Okay. Do I need to start the timer first?
What made you want to reuse the game?
Reuse the game? I just felt like it.
Go back. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you know what that means.
Yeah.
You know what that means.
I'm gonna be real with you. I have no idea what that means.
You know what that means.
What, are you about to make music?
Of course, making a fire track for you.
I see. Okay, dash timer start. Why is dash timer time left crashing the game? What, bro? This is not good. This is bad. Like I said, non-existent function. What do you mean? The function exists is literally in your documentation. Unable to write to file. Holy shit. Okay, so yo, close the. Okay, thank you. Breakpoint. What? Yo. Okay, anyway. Oh, wait, you can mark it as a breakpoint? That's what that does? Yo, I'm so happy I didn't, like, just assume that was some, like, marker or something. Dude, that's insane. The fuck? Okay, wait. Why is this icon here? Yeah, I'm rewriting this whole line. This is pissing me off. Okay, alright. Oh my god, it's not a function. It's not a function? Okay. I mean, fair enough, I guess. And another thing, yeah, this start. Wait, so that start is a function. What? Dude. Oh, wait, it needs to equal 0. I don't know why I said not equal 0. That's very goofy and silly. What do you mean? It's not an assignment, bro. We are not in school. Bro. Dude. Thank you. Dang. Okay. I'll check this out. There we go. Oh, it needs to be a one-shot timer. That's just a property I can change. Alright. Inspector. Make it a one-shot. Okay. And then... Alright, cool. Now let's make that timer like 0.2 seconds because a full second of dashing is insane. So, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna do, let's do like... Okay, so yeah, we don't even need to print that anymore. We can do, if input dot is action. Actually, wait, no, we could just do, if what? If x input is greater than 1, no, 0. Let me see if it's right. It goes to the right. We're gonna do, we're gonna do x velocity is equal to fucking x. No, it's like, let's go 100 and then 0. It needs to be a vector too. Alright. And no, it's the wrong, bro. Okay. What in the world? Oh, wait. Okay, Z to be indented, I believe. Okay, damn! Program? What it turn all red on me and shit. Oh, that's not good. okay, let's just make it do something very basic. So let's not even have this be an if. Let's just do velocity.y equals vector 200 0. So yeah, all right. Okay. Wait, I know what to do. If dash timer is less than 0, no, just is not equal 0, we're going to set the velocity. Okay, now time left. Great. Now notice how that's extremely slow. All right. Yeah. Let's hit this. Okay. Notice how that's extremely fast. Okay. Cool. That's still way too fast. Let's go with like 200. You know, wait. Let me just look at the default max velocity. It's 220. Let's just do like 300 in that case. Need to be faster, but not like too dramatically fast. I'd also like it to like kind of shoot to the right. Right, so yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking having just an instantaneous burst instead would be cool. I think, at least. I don't know. Yeah, so alright. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I've actually just pressed special. I'm gonna do this. Wait, does it force your speed still? Yeah, it does. Okay, I don't like this. I'm trying to think. Oh, I should suspend the player in air for a decent amount of time, I think. Is the method, yeah. Yeah, with like lower deceleration, I feel like. Yeah. Alright, so move toward. How do I do this? Okay. Alright, so we're gonna break it down to its bare parts here. I'm gonna go velocity dot move toward. Wait, so we're gonna do velocity equals velocity dot move toward vector 2x input times max velocity. Velocity dot y. Wait, no, I said most bare parts. So we're just gonna do like velocity dot x is equal to 600. Fuck it. Wait, does a player ever decelerate? Oh, it does. Somehow. Oh, because it decelerates towards 0. Yeah, I think at least. Right? Or am I tripping? Okay, so it might get a little dicey. Alright. Yeah, I do need a separate deceleration, I think, for this. Yeah, because that's just so slow also. So slow also, like, dude. Oh, I like that. Let's actually lower the speed, and I want to suspend the player in air and have them kind of moving for a longer amount of time. Because I think that having them decelerate so fast, you don't even feel it. It doesn't feel like a dash. It just feels like it just went forward. So now we can bring in that timer. We're gonna do $ timer dot start the function, and then what we're gonna do here is if $ timer dot time left does not, no, that's not a function, does not equal 0, I'm gonna do another function here. It needs to be, we need to make sure that their y velocity never changes. So velocity dot y is equal to 0. I'm gonna override that, and hopefully, nice. Okay. And then velocity dot move toward moving functions. The deceleration needs to be different, so it needs to not even apply it. So let's see, we're gonna do if dash timer dot time left does equal 0. Okay. Otherwise, we can do this. Really? I hate when I accidentally copy nothing, bro. It's like the most annoying thing ever, dude. Okay, anyway. Yeah, let's just, yeah. I don't know why I think this is gonna be a good idea. Wait a second, let me see something. Hold up. Velocity.y, acceleration, x input, times max velocity. So we're moving towards that. Yeah, okay. And then acceleration. I'm thinking, Oh, okay. We could actually just set this to 0 and not even have this. That makes it a bit more efficient. Control S, hit F5 here. Gonna jump up and we're gonna dash. That looks super goofy. Excel times 0.1. This will make us go way too far, I believe. Yeah. I really just want their gravity to be just not so low, right? I think that's really what I want, yeah. While they're in the air, right? So I'm thinking like, what is it? Okay, yeah, so, Dude, I have no idea. Let's see here. If I hit F6 instead of F5 one more time, so I'm gonna actually lose it. velocity.x, velocity.y, fucking, dude, I think maybe just an instantaneous burst, that might be the method, low-key. Don't know, though. Yeah. $6,000? What did I just do? What did I just do? Yo, cancel. Okay, no, but anyway, 600, buddy. What happened? Oh, wait. Okay. Alright, please actually run. Thank you, game. Okay, that's just kind of pathetic. Oh my god, I don't know. But if I do 1,000, right, it's like insane. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Alright, yeah, so let's do times x input. Should you even be able to dash upwards? I like really don't know. Okay. Okay, now, I really want to experiment with this. I want to see if I can make the game stutter when you dash. So, let me see. I need a timer for this, so let's go. We're gonna name it dash stutter. And the trick to this is that it has to be, what's it called? Has to be, ignore timescale. It needs to be real time. So, let's see. It needs to, like, it needs to literally freeze the game for, like, 0.1 seconds or something. So, yeah. Gonna do dash stutter, $sign dash stutter dot start. Gonna go input. It needs to be something weird, like it needs to be engine dot timescale equals 0 or something, right? So this is just gonna freeze my game, right? Yeah, okay. But it needs to then, I need to add in a function here. Timeout needs to connect to player 1 dash stutter timeout. Engine dot timescale goes back to 1. That's all it needs to be, I'm pretty sure. So oh wait, it applies to velocity first. That's not good. Okay. Boom. Is it 2? Oh my god, wait, I'm slow. Okay. I need to just get rid of that pitfall. It's literally there for no reason. Okay. Okay, what happens if I don't do the engine timescale thing? Let me go back to the script here. We're gonna see, Because I think I'm doing something very wrong. So, yeah, let me just see. Yeah, the dash doesn't feel like it lasts long enough, dude. What the heck? Yeah, so I do need that dash timer system. Okay, fine. Dash. Oh, no, timer. Bro, okay. Okay, so we're gonna do, what? We're gonna do dash timer dot start. Also, stutter to be a one shot. Okay. Dash timer also need to be a one shot, I believe. And then we're gonna do a if dash timer is greater than 0 dot time left. But this should always be going though, right? Like, so what's happening? Oh wait, okay, no, let's just set it to 1000 then. Fuck it. Oh my god, I'll be right back. Getting calls. Hello?
Hey, you up?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need you to go with me to drop this car off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw some clothes on real quick. I'm leaving the gym.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright.
Alright.
Okay, bye. Bro, I have to get off. So cringe.
What do you gotta do?
I don't know why, but I have to go with my dad so we can drop a car off.
Oh,
Alright. Who the fuck is this guy, bro? Yo, hold up, dude. Nigga, are you 12 years old? Also, I don't have a name. You're a dark, evil, clumsy Kirk. Like, I just would have banned you from my stream. Alright. Stop recording. I was recording! Oh my god, bro. There goes all of my storage, dude.